Yes, I know that struggling when it comes to your business is not something that is actually very comfortable, especially when you think you are putting your best and it seems like nothing is really happening. You're welcome to today's talk. I am Odurole Mojibola, and today I'm going to be discussing, okay, how do I go through the process of, oh, I'm trying, and it's not coming for the way I want it. Sit back, and I'm gonna be right back. Yes, like I was saying the other time, most times it's so discouraging when you are trying to put a lot of effort and it's like the result is actually a little bit smaller or so small compared to the results you are actually making, you are actually having rather. I am going to suggest something. One thing that I find out that helps us in the midst of discouragement, especially when you are starting a business newly, one of those things that can be so frustrating is when you're not in the company of fellow people who do the same thing. So many of us isolate ourselves, and that is one of the worst thing you can do to yourself, especially in this dispensation. If you are in the company of the right people, you find yourself getting encouraged. When you feel like giving up, you see yourself challenged and moving on. And I think that is one thing I have find out when it comes to running a business. And when it comes to shoemaking, personally, since I'm into shoemaking, definitely it will be a very good example. I have find my students do very well when they are actually one. When they are one, it's not as the learning process is not as fast as when they are two. And I find out that there is a kind of, oh, you can do this, then let me try it so I can do it, both online and offline classes. And if, okay, I have learned, but trying to establish my business seems to be so challenging, I am having challenges with this and that, I think you should yet find a group or association of people who does the same thing you do, that you can throw up your challenges, you can throw up whatever you are going through, you can actually express it there and you can be helped. And if I'm going to suggest anything to you, I'm going to be suggesting my exclusive forum. I have an exclusive forum where all we do is discuss how to help ourselves to grow in our business. All we do is how to, okay, I want to create this design, I'm really having challenges with it, can somebody help me out? And then you find somebody attending to you on a daily basis. Now the truth is that I want people who needs what I'm ready to offer, and that is the reason for the exclusive forum. I'm sure you are wondering, okay, how do I partake of the exclusive forum? Don't worry, I'll be back. So for the exclusive forum I was actually talking about, it's actually going to be a monthly thing. I don't want you to get yourself choked up by the happenings right inside that particular class. All I want to do for you in that group is to get you keep moving on. I tell you, it can be very difficult to walk alone. It can be very difficult to walk alone. Trust me, when you walk alone, you can walk far, but when you go alongside with so many other people, you find yourself going farther. That's just the truth. It's something I've experienced. Sometimes you feel like giving up on whatever you are doing. But the best option is when you find yourself getting encouraged every time, okay, you are having a challenge, somebody is available to provide a solution to it. It makes the road easy and fun. So if you are interested in the class, please let me know in the comment section. You can send me a DM if you like to know more about it. Like I said, it's going to be a monthly thing. You are going to be subscribing, because I don't want just every Jack and Harry. Trust me, I know a lot of people will want to join, but I don't want Jack and Harry. If you want to know more about it, just let me know. But trust me, all I want to do is to keep you on track. I don't want you to be discouraged. I hear these questions a lot. How, as in, you do it and it's looking so easy, like the business is easy. How do you do it? Well, if you want to know how, you will be ready to actually seek for information, seek for knowledge, and get your business growing. So, once again, I want to say thank you for watching. I want to say thank you for being part of today's True Talk, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.